Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend today. This is the freebie. I must admit, right, I know I designed it myself, but I can only say I'm very impressed with what I've done. I think this month the VIP lounge papers are the best I ever made, I think, in my opinion. Sorry, I shouldn't say that because I made it myself, but I was really pleased with what I made. So today the freebie is this page here. This page is a background. Well, you can do what you want with it. So there are some macaroons and some flowers. There are some larger flowers on the background. There are some lace. There is a very vintage 1920s inspired bottle of perfume. There are some more macaroons on the right hand side, and on the background there is a piano, a vintage piano. Now this is a collage that I have designed to be used as an entirety like this, but as I said, you can fussy cut, you can print a couple of copies and fussy cut every single element, or you can just use it as a background. This page here has been designed from this month, so April's VIP lounge papers. The VIP lounge papers is a subscription that I offer on my website, where every month you get a paper pack, sometime 2, sometime 3. There is bonus paper, there is loads. You also get 30% discount code, and also there is a letter gift box. Now we're going through the alphabet. We got to letter number L for this month, and then when we finish the alphabet we will do all the numbers as well. So we got like a little gift box, 3D gift box. So this month this is the freebie. This month papers were inspired by the piano and the music vintage palette. So I'm going to show you the paper now. So guys, these are the papers pack for the month of April. The paper pack is called Shabby Notes because it's a collage of traditional piano and music elements with loads of shabby flowers and lace, etc. Now this pack is huge. It's got 14 pages and it has everything you need to create your project. There are background, there are gift boxes, there is tags, there is ephemera, there is all sorts. Let me crack on and show you page by page. So first page, we got 2 pillow boxes in 2 different sizes. There again, if you print this on cardstock, they will be super thick and steady. Then, in fact, let me just put it here. Then we have a background. First of the background, we have a large piano with some lace and some flowers. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. We've got some tags that, again, you can fussy cut them one by one, or you can use these as an entirety. You've got little piano, they've got some flowers, love. And I love the palette. The color palette is pretty much the same for each pages because every kit that I designed for the VIP lounge members is being designed to mix and match. So everything goes well together. The color palette for this paper pack is turquoise, baby pink, and of course the black and white with the piano music. Okay, the next page is a bundle of pockets. So if you do journals, so you've got 2 square pockets and 2 there on the bottom, and you've got a tag to fit in it, and a couple of tabs. They are fabulous. If you make hidden paper clips, that will look cool. Another background with a piano and some shabby elements. A page full of tags. So we got 4 medium tags and 2 slightly large ones on the bottom. A page with some embellishment. So we got 6 butterflies that you can fussy cut and layer them. An oval that you can use as a tack. Couple of tags and another embellishment on the bottom. This is another favorite of mine, is a page full of stamps. Okay, so it's on different sizes. This is a page of 4 different backgrounds that I put them together. These will make some fabulous cards. You can make vintage cards, or I can see already like stitching around it with some black thread or like a birthday cards if you just simply put a happy birthday sentiment. Then we have 2 traditional envelopes and a scallop envelope. We've got a page with 3 large tags. They are huge. Another page with some embellishments. So we got some scallop pockets and some embellishments here that you can make like large buttons as well. You got a cube, like a gift set, a gift box in a cube. So you got all the tabs that you're folding in together, and this will be the leads that you tapped in. And last but not least is a background. So again, full of shabby flowers, lace, and the piano. So that is a kit of 14 pages. Okay. Also this month you get a bonus page, which is a collection of 9 doilies, paper doilies, which I have layered with some shabby elements. So we got some tea mags, some perfumes, a coffee maker, some vintage pink laptop. I thought I wanted something to give you something that you can use with this paper pack, but also is individual just to make some embellishment. Okay, so this is just a bonus page. And last is a letter gift box. So as I said, this month we are on letter L. We've done all the letters. Let me show you all the letters before I show you what the letter L looks like. But you get a template. Okay, so that's the front, that's the sides, and that's the back. Because I had quite a lot of space, I designed an additional pillow box. Again, that you can print it on cardstock and you get an extra bonus little pillow box. So let me show you what we've done so far. So we've done all the letters, and then we have some more in here. Oopsie, I dropped the F. D, E, F, G, H, I, and then we've got J, and we've done the K. Okay, and let me show you what the letter L looks like for this month. Okay, this is letter L that we made with the template from today, and this is the pillow box, what it looks like when it's done up. Okay, that was on the same page, so you get a bonus gift box. Okay, so you saw my VIP lounge papers, so let me show you, if you wish to join, where to find it on my website. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go, you got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month, and then you have a yearly one, so you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay, so if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, I hope it's all clear about the VIP lounge papers. Let me explain how you can download this freebie. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, so don't forget to join my Facebook group and subscribe to my newsletter to get this freebie and all the freebie coming up in the next couple of weeks and forever really. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up, because it really supports with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.